So I guess there's a lot of advancement in technology, the way it's shaping up, not only in terms of workplace, also in terms of the external environment, also rooting it back at home and the way you deal your entire personal life as well. So I think technology is very much an integrated part of our lives. How does it impact? I think the impact is more positive than it's thought to be in terms of. So if I were to give you a classic example, so most of the decisions, or a lot of data seems to be there with the organization. With the analytics in place and with some smart tools in place, a lot of processing is smartly done within time, and you're able to take much more smarter, impactful and outcome driven decisions. So I think this entire thing from data to information is turning out to be much smarter with a lot of technology advancement, and it's only going to help improvise the way we deliver our products to the consumer, the way we get delivered as consumers, and ultimately shaping into an environment that's much more transparent and at the same time much more fast in terms of response.